G'day gang, Sky Pilot here. Welcome, maiden flight of the Emax Freestyle Mark II, take 2, number 2. The second one of the series. Updated camera. Check out my last video guys, you'll see all the text and specs and unboxing and hoo-ha this cool little unit. What have I done to it? I've just modified my receiver antenna here so it doesn't get caught up in the props. I've locked down my battery power supply as well, just in case I do have a mishap and the batteries go flying out. I won't pull the wires out of the controller there. Apart from that, she is straight out of the box. Okay, now I'll put the camera slightly down. Factory it comes on a fairly decent tilt, which allows for horizontal footage, which is a bit too aggressive for me, so I'm just going to do some cruising around. So I have lowered the camera slightly so I can see where I'm going, as it's a little bit windy, and I'm just going to have a cruise around. Let's get cracking. The Emax, what an awesome unit. Let's get up in the sky. Onboard footage guys, I'm just going to capture with on the sky zones here. Obviously there's no SD card recording on this unit. It'll be interesting to see how the boosted 200mW VTX operates on this unit, as the original one only had 25, so VTX quality should be greatly improved. Like always guys, I'm going to do a quick line of sight first, just make sure everything's as it should be before I go FPV. Okay, nice little alarm there. Okay, and we're off. Little Avan Props are nice and quiet folks, as they normally are. Quick punch out. Yeah, pretty good. Oh, there's an aeroplane up there. I don't think I'll get that high up. All looks well. Oh, looks like quite a nice tune too folks. Oh, excellent. Okay. Let's don the gogs and get some FPV going. And off we go. As I said guys, it is a little bit windy here, so I am hoping it's not going to affect things too much. So I really want to get out and have a feel of this tune. Flies a lot like the original one, which is nice and responsive and quite chirpy. That sticks fill, okay. Now you can use this indoors as well guys. You can actually have a 1S set up on here if you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try and just have a cruise around here nice and slowly, see how the controls go, and straight away they're feeling pretty good. I can say I flew the original Freestyle just yesterday, and I can tell you straight away that the VTX is greatly improved on this one. Very nice. So we go for a punch out now. Oh, excellent. I do have a battery bar on the screen there, but it's not actually doing anything, so I shall have to reconfigure that in Betaflight. Oh, this thing's really cool guys. So the tune is nice enough that you can actually cruise around nice and slowly, quite easily, without running foul. That's pretty cool. Kicking goals here. Okey-doke. It'll be a proper test without a bit of a roll and tumble. I'm just on horizon mode, guys. Doesn't seem to get too dizzy. I know some units you give them a decent whip around, they do tend to get the dizzies and wobbles, but this seems pretty cool. Oh, this is really nice, guys. I am impressed. Do a bit of a speed run. Up over the trees and down again. Looking pretty good, folks. Looking pretty good indeed. If you are watching this video and you're thinking, this looks like a pretty decent unit to start flying FPV with, or even to continue flying FPV with, I tend to agree with you. This is really nice. Even behind the building here, let's try not to hit anything. Pretty cool. Okay. And speed up we go. Really nice, steady, smooth and soft tune on this, folks. Not too aggressive. I can guarantee if it was aggressive I'd be pretty much down in the dumps by now. A couple forward rolls there, handled them quite well. Seems pretty decent, guys. Okay, let's risk a how far can we go? Let's turn up my volume here. I think we're pretty close. The RSSI is dropping down a bit. Okay. Okay, that's certainly well and truly good enough for me. Let's boost that. Yes, okay, alright. Here we go. Back in the happy zone, guys. So it's even handling the wind reasonably well. Reasonably well. Really loving this new 200mW VTX. Hope I don't get a golf ball in the back of the head. I'm just right near a golf course. Okay, I think we'll bring her home because we're just about out of power. Okay. And home we come. Nope. And a perfect landing too. There you have it, gang, the Emax Freestyle Mark II. So when the battery light comes on, you've got approximately 20 seconds to get it back home. Otherwise you're going to go for a walk. Yeah, 5 stars, folks. This thing rocks. The only upgrade I'd probably do with it is do a power supply upgrade. We can run just a single instead of a double on the roof there. Really decent game. Drop us a comment, smash that thumbs up. Much appreciated. Plenty more of the new Freestyle 2 action to follow. And like always, gang, smash on that link down below if you want some more information about this cool little unit. There's a coupon down there too if you're interested in purchasing one. Emax Freestyle 2. Improved everything. Thanks for stopping by. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.